Welcome. My name is Reaz, and this is my channel Echo Envision. If you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. Jeff Bezos, one of the richest men in the world, has a lifestyle as extraordinary as his fortune. But how much does it really cost to live like the Amazon founder? Briefly mention Bezos' net worth and his luxury-filled lifestyle. Highlight the premise. Uncovering the hidden expenses behind his lavish life. Real estate: Medina Mansion, Washington State. Estimated worth over $165 million. Annual maintenance and property taxes could run into millions. Beverly Hills Estate. Recently purchased for $165 million. Additional renovation and upkeep expenses. Corn Ranch, Texas, the headquarters of Blue Origin. Costs for maintenance, security, and operation of the space facility add millions yearly. DC Mansion, former textile museum, renovated into a massive 27,000 SQ. Featuring home. Renovation costs exceeded $12 million. Hidden expenses. Staff salaries, housekeepers, gardeners, chefs, and security. Utility bills for such large properties. 3. Private jet costs. Bezos Gulfstream G650ER. Price tag, $70 plus million. Annual expenses. Fuel, approximately $1 million. Maintenance, over $1 million annually. Pilot and crew salaries. Convenience comes with a cost. Every trip carries hidden fees like airport charges, hangar space, and insurance. 4. Blue Origin and Space Ventures. Blue Origin's vision. Bezos spends billions funding his private space exploration company. $1 billion a year is reportedly sold in Amazon stock to support the venture. Hidden costs. Research and development. Building reusable rockets like New Shepard and New Glenn. Operational costs for staff and testing facilities. Marketing expenses for space tourism. 5. Luxury cars and yacht. Luxury car collection. Bezos is known to own high-end cars like the Bugatti Veyron, $3 million. Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita, $4.8 million, and more. Hidden costs. Maintenance, insurance, and taxes. The $500 million superyacht, one of the largest and most expensive yachts in the world. Annual upkeep estimated at $25.30 million, including crew salaries, docking fees, and fuel. Also includes a smaller, support yacht, with a helipad, adding to costs. 6. Philanthropy and charity. Major contributions. Bezos Earth Fund, $10 billion pledged for climate change initiatives. Various donations to hospitals, education, and housing. Hidden costs. Administrative costs for managing foundations and initiatives. Public relations teams and events associated with philanthropic efforts. 7. Security and privacy. Personal security. Annual security expenses estimated at $1.6 million, as reported in 2020. Expenses include high-tech home surveillance systems, personal bodyguards, armored vehicles, and cybersecurity teams. Privacy management. Costs associated with managing leaks, handling legal disputes, and ensuring anonymity for travel and transactions. 8. Hidden costs of public image. Bezos' public image as a billionaire comes with expenses, high-end events and appearances. Investments in Amazon's reputation, which indirectly benefit his wealth. Teams managing his social media, interviews, and philanthropy announcements. Summarize the key points. Despite his immense wealth, maintaining a lifestyle of this magnitude involves staggering hidden expenses that most people can't even fathom. Final takeaway. While Bezos' lavish life seems unattainable, it's a reminder that immense wealth comes with its own costs, both visible and hidden. Bezos' investment in media and culture. Ownership of the Washington Post. Bezos purchased the Washington Post in 2013 for $250 million. Hidden costs. Operational expenses to maintain the media company. Investments in modernizing the publication, including digital transformation and global expansion. PR and legal teams to manage controversies and editorial disputes. Cultural influence. Sponsorship of major events, literature awards, and conferences associated with his name. Expenses for creating a lasting cultural legacy. 10. The Bezos Day One Fund. Details of the initiative. Launched in 2018, the fund focuses on supporting homeless families and building preschools in underserved areas. Bezos pledged $2 billion, but the ongoing commitment requires consistent financial input. Hidden costs. Administrative teams to oversee projects. Hiring experts for curriculum design and education strategy. Marketing efforts to highlight the fund's achievements. 11. Bezos Academy. Free preschools. Bezos has launched a network of free Montessori-inspired preschools under the Bezos Academy initiative. Operational expenses. Infrastructure costs for each academy. Salaries for teachers and staff. Maintenance of high-quality learning environments. Long-term costs. Ensuring the initiative is sustainable over decades. Regular audits, curriculum updates, and staff training. 12. Tax implications and financial management, tax strategies. Wealthy individuals like Bezos often use legal loopholes to minimize taxes, but maintaining compliance comes with costs. Expenses include teams of accountants, financial advisors, and tax consultants. Philanthropy is a financial tool. Donations are often used to offset taxes but involve hidden costs like PR campaigns to maximize public goodwill. 13. Luxury vacations and events. Exotic vacations. Bezos is often seen on luxurious vacations, from sailing in the Mediterranean to exclusive retreats on private islands. Hidden costs. Private security during vacations. Chartering yachts, planes, or helicopters. Hosting high-profile guests during these trips. Exclusive events. Attending or hosting events like the Met Gala or private conferences. Costs include designer outfits, event sponsorships, and donations to attend. 14. Relationship and family expenses, personal relationships. Bezos' relationship with Lauren Sanchez has drawn attention to their extravagant lifestyle. Joint travels, luxury gifts, and high-profile appearances add to the expense list. Family investments. Bezos ensures his children have access to the best education, security, and opportunities. Costs include private school tuition, extracurricular activities, and security for his family. 15. Bezos' public and legacy projects. Clock of the Long Now. Bezos invested $42 million in a 10,000-year clock, a symbol of long-term thinking. Costs include engineering, land development, and installation in a remote Texas mountain. Legacy projects. Bezos spends on initiatives designed to cement his legacy, like space exploration and environmental conservation. Hidden costs. Staffing, legal fees, and maintenance to keep these projects running. 16. Bezos' obsession with technology and innovation, cutting-edge technology. Bezos is known to invest heavily in state-of-the-art tech, from AI systems to robotics. Hidden costs. Research and development for projects that may not yield immediate returns. Innovation labs. Blue Origin and Amazon's legacy require significant investment in innovation to stay ahead in competitive industries. 17. Speculative ventures. Risky investments. Bezos often invests in speculative ventures, including biotech, cryptocurrency, and startups. Hidden costs. High risk of failure and continued funding to see long-term results. Wrap up the extensive expenses behind Bezos' lavish lifestyle. Reinforce the message. Living like Jeff Bezos isn't just about the visible luxuries. It's a web of hidden expenses that even billionaires carefully manage. For most of us, his lifestyle is a dream, but for him, it's a carefully orchestrated system. Call to action. What's your take on Bezos' spending habits? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the lives of the world's wealthiest.